This is dog, a loyal and friendly animal that loves to guard and play. This is cat, a soft and playful animal that loves to sleep and catch mice. This is cow, a gentle farm animal that gives us milk. This is horse, a fast and strong animal used for riding. This is sheep, a fluffy animal that gives us wool. This is hen, a farm bird that gives us eggs. This is rabbit, a small animal with long ears that loves carrots. This is duck, a water-loving bird that swims and quacks. This is buffalo, a strong animal that helps farmers and gives milk. This is camel, a desert animal that can live without water for many days. This is goat, a smart farm animal that loves to eat grass and leaves. This is rooster, a male hen that crows in the morning. This is donkey, a hard-working animal that carries loads. This is goose, a large bird known for its loud honk. This is pig, a clever farm animal that enjoys rolling in mud.